Hey guys, I'm continuing my journey about the wheels. So I brought the wheels to NFS Tires on San Pablo Avenue, and here are the tires. They're like almost brand new. P0 315 30 23, and I have the wheels already ceramic coated them, so they are ready to be installed. We're gonna assemble them here with the tires. So let's see how it goes, because this is 315 and they are 11.5, and I wonder how much stretch it will be here. So here I have assembled 23-inch wheels, 11.5 with 315 30, and I actually thought and expected that the stretch will be more, but I think they fit pretty much perfect for my opinion. So this is rear, and they have more concave. I asked actually to do the deepest possible concave, and this is like thick forgings, and they allow like to do the maximum thickness, I mean maximum concavity. Also I have awesome bolts, brand new, so they are with logo like that. I have 3mm spacers just to check the fitment, and I have special sets of the tools to not scratch the wheels. So I'm doing now disassembling taking off the front wheel, and I'm install this one wheel and see how it will look like. So I'm gonna change these two and show you how it will look like after the change. So here are two wheels installed, no spacers. I think I figured the offset's pretty much good. The tires, I think, too thick. In this case I have rubbing here on this arm, but this is a good thread, so I think maybe a couple millimeters it will just rub off the tire. Anyways, these are like $400, 100 per piece, so I think I'll test it, see how it goes, see how much it rubs here. If there will be like a big problem, I'll have to order a new set of the tires, but with 25 profile, which will work for sure. But the main thing is about offsets, and I'm happy actually. So the offsets are very flush, and I'm gonna install the KW suspension, which will drop the car, I think, about 2 inches, something like that. So it'll be like super flush with fenders, and I'll try to like lower it as much as possible, so closer to the fender, but avoid the rubbing. And the look is pretty much cool, pretty cool. Also I had idea, so I ordered the caps. These caps I can paint this color, so I think it'll be like looking cool with a matching color. The guy quoted me $35 a piece, and these two wheels still here. It's an old look, so I think this, like the rear, is a little bit small, looking small for me, but I don't know. Yeah, I think this like the body style is too big comparing to the wheel. So if we take a look here, this look is much better for my opinion, which the size of the wheel is matching, so the car is like looks more completed. Yeah, the only one thing I didn't expect this problem with the arm, and I cannot even like put a list of sheet of paper there, or a card, so it's very close. But I think, like considering here, so it will rub probably some part on this side, and will leave like a small gap. But I think, yeah, this is only 1 point, but the thing is Everything is cool, especially the offsets, super flush, and the look is very nice. So it's dark already outside. I'm still working on the wheel, so I found out that 3mm spacer will do a gap like this. It will not touch, so I'll keep already installing this part, 3mm spacer. It's a little bit more of the fitment, but I'm gonna install the KW suspension, so I think it will go inside, maybe the same 3mm, and I will use another 3mm on the back, so I'll make it even. And pretty much it. I think it's perfect. It's like 1mm, as you can see. It's not touching. All good. Hi guys, so finally I've installed the wheels, and right now I'm the clean culture event in San Jose. And so today was a hectic day. I woke up at 6, and I didn't want to ride like one hour from Richmond with not perfect fitment. I mean, like not perfect stance with coilovers. So I installed KW coilovers in the Wolfgang's shop, and they actually installed, like, I don't know, let's say conservative setup, and the gap was, I think, like about maybe 4 fingers between the tire and the fender. And then they just I think they were afraid to make it like more like less with a less height. And what I did, I just adjusted. I think it took me about 4 hours total, 2 days. I adjusted the rears, because the rears, they are the lowering links, so I need to adjust like every millimeter matters. And also in the morning today I adjusted the fronts. They pretty much were not a big problem. So I don't know, I think you cannot see that, but I didn't take off the wheel, and I just lifted up the truck, and I have adjusted with a wrench which KW provides, and I measured like pretty much good. I think I'll measure again and see what I can do, because like every turn of the nut on the coilover, it matters. So I want to make it perfect, and then maybe I'll do another alignment. So I'm happy with the result, and I'm gonna show you some views of the car, and for your decision. So now what we have about 2 fingers here, and I didn't feel any rubbing. I think I didn't hear anything, but I think it's not rubbing actually. So the KW, the coilovers, I think they allow to do this stance, so it's about 1.5 finger here. No rubbing. Sometimes I rub here inside when I turn the wheel. Probably this is from that. But I try to not to turn the wheel completely. So here's another, the rears. So there's maybe 1.5 fingers in front and 2.5 in the back. I was driving on the highway like about an hour, and I didn't feel any rubbing. Sorry for loud music, but this is event. And I want to show you about fitment, what is now. So I think it's super flush. I like it. It's perfect. Maybe the rears can be a little bit more, but I think I'll keep it like that, because sometimes in case of rubbing, so it will not scratch the arch. So I think it's fine. There is a view from the back. Yeah, I love it. I think I chose the perfect size. I like how 11.5 on 315 stretched. It's not much. And the biggest problem actually was here with this arm. And now it's about 1 millimeter between the tire and this arm, but it's no rubbing. So it's like super precise work. I'm happy. So the car looks perfect. And yes, I'll just continue to measure
the perfect distance here, and I think the back I can keep, but the fronts I can a little bit adjust. And this is the event like that. And yeah, keep you posted. Thank you for the watching.